Alright, so in the previous episode, which I filmed today, was working on the AC. A lot of yapping, not much doing. So today, or in this one, I'm gonna try to do a little more. So I got the car in the air. Today I'm gonna be installing the BRE Air Dam, which is right over there. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, everything I picked up from BRE themselves. They actually still make the parts. Their website's bre2.net. I got the air dam and the hardware kit, which came with these nice little clamps and instructions. They still sell everything right here. Peter Brock's first law of mechanical success: when all else fails, read the instructions. So I'm not gonna fail first. I'm gonna go ahead and read these instructions real quick and then figure it out. So it's only a couple pages and most of them are pictures, so I like pictures. Anyways, I'm gonna read this real quick and then I'm gonna jump on the car and explain what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the instructions pretty much say use these two little guys, put it up there and align it. Once it's aligned, start drilling, put hardware through it, bolt it on, call it a day. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, let's start clamping. Alright, so that's basically it, and it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. It was pretty easy. Basically, you use these little clamps, put them in the corners on both sides, and then once you have that on there, it's pretty much a matter of aligning it, and then drill out these two holes right here. They give you the measurements. I think this one was like 1.5 and then 1/2, and an inch about from here. Put them in. They want washer, screw, and on the other side it's split washer and then the nut. So do both sides, take the clip off, and then on the center here it's just two in the middle like that, one in each corner. I think this was a 2-inch spacing here, and then for this one it just says measure the distance between here and here, divide by 2, and that's your third measurement. So it'll equalize everything, and that's pretty much it. No major gap there. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna drop it off the lift and see how that looks. So let's do that. There it is. It's still on roller skates, but you guys can see. I mean, it changes the look of the car. I really like it. You know, a little retro BRE. But yeah, it looks pretty good. And yeah, the installation's not as hard. It's pretty simple actually. Basically align it, make sure everything's aligned, drill the corners, and then move from your way from the middle outwards, tighten it all up, and that's basically it. The kit that BRE sells you, that thing costs 30 bucks. In my opinion, it's not worth it for the two little clamps and a piece of hardware. But then again, it's you know, it supports Peter Brock. He's done a lot for this community, you know, for Datsun in general. So it's all good. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.